Our planet's history is written in stone, in fossils buried for millions of years. Among these ancient giants, one stood out: Giganotosaurus, the giant southern lizard. Rivaling T-Rex, its discovery changed everything we knew about prehistoric predators. Prepare to meet the king of the Cretaceous. The age of giants awaits. Every great creature has a name, and Giganotosaurus's is truly fitting. Its name means giant southern lizard, given by Rodolfo Coria and Leonardo Salgado in 1995. This predator lived in the southern hemisphere, far from the North American home of T-Rex. Giganotosaurus roamed Patagonia during the late Cretaceous, about 99 to 97 million years ago. The world then was warm, with high sea levels and continents drifting apart. Patagonia was lush, filled with rivers, forests, and a diverse range of dinosaurs. The rocks that preserved Giganotosaurus's bones also hold fossils of its neighbors and potential prey. The first skeleton found was about 70% complete, a rare treasure for paleontologists. This allowed for a detailed reconstruction of its size and biology. Giganotosaurus's discovery gave us a precious snapshot of its ancient ecosystem. It wasn't alone. It shared its world with other giants. Each fossil tells us more about the prehistoric web of life. The giant southern lizard story was just beginning to unfold. Its name, time, and place set the stage for a tale of survival and dominance. Let's see what made this predator so extraordinary. Giganotosaurus was built on an epic scale. It stretched up to 13 meters, longer than a city bus, and weighed as much as 8 tons. Its hips towered above a grown human, and its presence would have been awe-inspiring. As one of the longest meat-eating dinosaurs, it needed a powerful skeleton. Thick leg bones and a massive femur supported its bulk, hinting at surprising speed for its size. Its body was classic theropod, long, with a massive tail and powerful hind legs. The arms were small but ended in 3 sharp claws, likely used for gripping prey. Its muscular tail acted as a counterbalance, helping it turn quickly while running. Robust vertebrae anchored huge muscles, giving it the strength to tackle giant prey. Every feature points to a perfectly engineered apex predator. Giganotosaurus was the undisputed hunter of its time and place, a true giant, shaped by a world of giants. The skull of Giganotosaurus was its ultimate weapon, over 5 feet long and built for killing. Unlike T-Rex's thick, crushing jaws, Giganotosaurus had a long, narrow, blade-like skull. Its teeth were serrated and knife-like, perfect for slicing through flesh. Instead of crushing bone, it inflicted deep wounds, causing massive blood loss. The skull was lightweight, with large openings to reduce weight and anchor powerful jaw muscles. Its bite was strong, but specialized for slashing, not crushing. CT scans reveal a relatively small brain, but with large olfactory bulbs. This means Giganotosaurus had an excellent sense of smell, crucial for tracking prey. Its eyes were positioned for a wide field of view, helping it spot movement across open plains. The combination of slicing teeth, powerful jaws, and keen senses made it a formidable hunter. Every aspect of its skull reveals a predator built for efficiency and lethality. Giganotosaurus didn't need to crush bones. It simply bled its prey dry. Its head was a masterpiece of evolutionary design. In the world of giant predators, it was a specialist. The skull tells the story of a hunter perfectly adapted to its environment. When it comes to giant predators, T-Rex is the icon. But how does Giganotosaurus compare? Giganotosaurus was generally longer, while T-Rex was bulkier and more powerfully built. Their skulls reveal their differences. Giganotosaurus was a slicer, T-Rex a crusher. Giganotosaurus's blade-like teeth inflicted deep wounds. T-Rex's conical teeth shattered bone. These differences point to unique hunting styles and prey. Importantly, they never met. Giganotosaurus lived in South America nearly 30 million years before T-Rex appeared in North America. They were rulers of different worlds, separated by time and geography. In a hypothetical battle, Giganotosaurus had reach and agility, while T-Rex had unmatched bite force and advanced senses. The outcome would depend on who struck first. But the real story is their diversity. 2 apex predators, each perfectly adapted to their own era. Their rivalry exists only in our imagination, but it highlights the wonders of dinosaur evolution. Giganotosaurus and T-Rex were kings of their own kingdoms. Each was a product of its unique environment. Their differences remind us that there's no single blueprint for a super predator. The age of dinosaurs was filled with giants, each with its own story. Giganotosaurus stands tall among them. The debate continues, fueling our fascination with these ancient titans. Giganotosaurus belonged to the Carcharodontosauridae, the shark-toothed lizards. This family included some of the largest carnivores ever, dominating much of the Cretaceous world. Relatives like Carcharodontosaurus in Africa and Mapusaurus in Argentina shared its blade-like teeth and massive size. Fossils of multiple Mapusaurus together suggest these giants may have hunted in groups. Their existence points to a world filled with enormous prey, like the Tyrannosaurs. As plant eaters grew larger, so did their predators, fueling an evolutionary arms race. Carcharodontosaurids were specialists, adapted to hunt the biggest herbivores. Their reign ended as Tyrannosaurs rose in the north, but their legacy remains. Giganotosaurus was part of a dynasty of giants. Its family's story is one of adaptation, competition, and survival. The age of the shark-toothed lizards shaped the world of the dinosaurs. How did Giganotosaurus hunt prey even larger than itself? Its powerful legs allowed for short bursts of speed, but it wasn't built for long chases. Instead, it likely relied on ambush, using cover to get close before striking. The main targets were colossal sauropods like Argentinosaurus, too big for a single predator. Evidence suggests Giganotosaurus may have hunted in groups, coordinating attacks to isolate and overwhelm prey. Its strategy delivered deep, slashing bites, then retreat and let blood loss weaken the victim. The pack would follow, waiting for exhaustion to bring down the giant. This bleed and wait method minimized risk and maximized success. Direct confrontation was dangerous. Teamwork and patience were key. Giganotosaurus was a master of calculated, brutal efficiency. Giganotosaurus's biology held more secrets than just size and teeth. Its tall back spines may have supported a ridge or sail, helping it release excess heat in the warm Cretaceous climate. To reach its massive size, it grew rapidly, likely reaching adulthood in just a couple of decades. Young Giganotosaurus needed to hunt effectively from an early age, starting with smaller prey. Its senses were finely tuned, a powerful sense of smell, keen vision for spotting movement, and sensitive hearing for detecting distant footsteps. Its metabolism was likely higher than modern reptiles, possibly a mesotherm, generating some body heat, but not fully warm-blooded. These adaptations made it a versatile and resilient predator. Giganotosaurus was built for survival in a world of giants. Every trait was a response to the challenges of its environment. Its unique biology was the key to its reign. The discovery of Giganotosaurus changed our view of dinosaur evolution. It proved that T-Rex wasn't the only giant predator. Carcharodontosaurids rivaled and sometimes surpassed it. Giganotosaurus helps us understand prehistoric ecosystems and the arms race between predators and prey. Its existence shows how evolution can produce multiple paths to super predator status. Studying its bones reveals secrets about growth, biomechanics, and adaptation. These lessons go beyond dinosaurs. They inform us about how life adapts and thrives. Giganotosaurus is a symbol of discovery, curiosity, and the wonders hidden beneath our feet. Its story inspires new generations to explore the past. The giant southern lizard reminds us that Earth's history is full of surprises. It challenges our assumptions and expands our imagination. Giganotosaurus is more than a monster. It's a key to understanding life's grand story. The legacy of this giant continues to shape science and inspire wonder. The age of giants lives on in our quest for knowledge.